Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will set up Ubuntu 20.04 LTS operating system with Linode Cloud provider. I've been using Linode for a few years now and I found it very easy to set up. I primarily use Linode for my lab instances so that I can record my learning videos, and I've also hosted few production softwares there. So this is not a paid promotion by Linode, but I just wanted to share with you guys that if you would like to set up a free account, you can follow the link in description. I think they have $100 credit for few months so that you can try out stuff. It will also support the channel if you follow the referral link. So without any further ado, let's get started. Once you log into the Linode console, you will see this dashboard. Here you can see a few instances so that when you set up a compute machine in AWS, it's called EC2 instance. And when you use a Google Cloud console, it called virtual machine. Here in Linode, they called Linodes. So when you are trying to set up a machine, that means you need to create a Linode. Very simple, right? You can start by clicking Create Linode button on the dashboard, located on the right side of the page. A simple form where you need to fill out all the information for your Linode instance, such as what operating system image you would like to use, etc. As I mentioned earlier, we are trying to set up Ubuntu 20.04, so I will be selecting that image from the drop-down, and we also need to select our preferred region. So normally we select a region nearest to those who will be using this server. So I will select Mumbai because it's near to me and there will be less network latency and won't be having any network packet drops every now and then. After selecting the region of your choice, we need to choose a Linode plan. They have a wide range of computer configurations such as dedicated or shared CPU, high memory servers, and even GPUs for video and graphic processing. Shared CPU instances are the cheaper ones. For this learning purpose, I'll be selecting Nano Node with 1 GB memory and one code shared CPU, which will cost me around $5 a month. Pretty straightforward. Go ahead and type Linode label for your instance so that you can easily identify them later. This is basically the name for your server. Let me make it simple and type test server. Then set up a root password and click create Linode button at the very bottom of the page. It will take a few minutes for your instance to get provisioned. Once your Linode instance is ready, click on instance name and copy your SSH access command. You can paste this command in MacBook or a Linux terminal to get access of your instance. If you use Windows, you may need to use a software called Putty, or I think PowerShell also has SSH feature. So when you press enter, it will ask you for a password. Type the password you use during your Linode creation process and enter. You should see the shell prompt of your newly created Ubuntu instance. So we have successfully installed Ubuntu server on Linode. Feel free to try installing your packages here and play around with the operating system. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. That would be big help from you guys and motivation for me as well. So take care everyone and see you in the next video.